Second Roman letter, construct the following rhombuses with the given measurements and also find their area. Before some first Roman letter parallelogram, now rhombus. So rhombus is a parallelogram in which all its sides are concurrent. This all the sides are concurrent. What is the meaning of concurrent? There now here 6 centimeter means its all sides are same length only. Here 6 centimeter. So here you write in 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Now given the what is the given value right after FC equal to 8 centimeter, right? Draw the rough diagram. FA equal to 6 centimeter already right after. All sides are equal only. Why there? Rhombus is a parallelogram in which all its sides are concurrent. So concurrent meaning is here one FA value only they are given. Remaining all the value you write it 6 centimeter. First work you draw the line segment 6 centimeter. Draw it the line. There you write the point F A 6 centimeter. Next FC 8 centimeter. Centimeter. F2 keep the compass and cut it the arc 8 centimeter. Remaining all the one is 6 centimeter. For one time you measure in 6 centimeter in compass is enough. 6 centimeter. Cut it the arc. Next here come the point 2, you cut it the arc. Keep in the pencil to one point clearly showing that one. This point 2 now cut it the arc 6 centimeter. Here same length also F2 you cut it the arc. The two arc also meeting point there. Here you write in C. See the rough diagram and write it C. Here you write in E. Now you join A and C. A and C. F and C. F and E. E and C. Here all the one write it in 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Here how much centimeter they are written? 8 centimeter. Area of the rhombus formula 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. Area of the rhombus. Area of the rhombus equal to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2 square units. So what is the meaning of D, D2, D1? First diagonal. D2 meaning is second diagonal. Diagonal meaning is F and C is one diagonal. A and E is another one diagonal. So two diagonal for what is the length? Simply you join these points and measure the length also. EA length equal to 9.2 centimeter. How much centimeter there? 9.2 centimeter. This is D2 equal to, you write it. Here D1 equal to 8 centimeter. 1 by 2 into D1 value is already there. Join the line on diagonal F and C. You write in 8. Next D2 length equal to 9.2 centimeter squared. Any one number you cut it. 1, 4 2s are 8. 4 into 9.2 centimeter squared. Now here write in 4 2s are 8. 9 4s are 36. 36.8 centimeters squared. Second sum, second Roman letter, second sum, CAKE, cake. CA equal to 5 centimeter, angle A equal to 65 degree. Given value you write rough diagram, draw the rough diagram. So now all sides are equal. Here 5 centimeter means here also 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Now start and do the sum. Very easy the sums. CA equal to 5 centimeter you measure. CA equal to 5 centimeter. Join the line. Here write in CA. How much centimeter? 5 centimeter. Next productor work. They are given in 65 degree. A point to keep the productor correctly and measure in coincide the line and check and do it. How much centimeter there? 65 degree. 65 degrees below 90 degree only. So where you keep in the productor, there too you ask that one below 90 degree or above 90 degree. Below 90 degree means smallly only want to come the angle. Now 65 degree, 60 after only want to count. 60 and 17 in between line. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. There you mark. Now join the line. A and that point bigly you want to join. What degree there? 65 degree. Then remaining all the angle is what all the side is what is there given? 5 centimeter. So measure in compass 5 centimeter and cut it the arc. Correctly want to measure all the sides same length only. Here too you cut it the arc. Next see there that already angle marking up only there come the line. So keep the point very carefully there. There where you keep the point now, there too you cut it the arc. 5 centimeter. Now C point to cut it the arc in 5 centimeter. Now two lines also coincide. The point is cutting point is what is the point? E point. You join the points. C and E. Same 5 centimeter only cut it the arc. Up point only should not mark in the angle point. Cutting arc and that line coincide that point only. What is the point now? K point. Very carefully measure there. Now CA first 5 centimeter you draw the line. Keep the productor and 65 degree you measure. Draw the big line. That same side 5 centimeter cut taken cut it the arc. That arc cutting point only K point. K2 you cut in 5 centimeter. C2 also cut in 5 centimeter. 2 also coincide. The point is E. 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Now area of the rhombus is area of the rhombus equal to 1 by 2 into d1 into d2 square units. Now here any diagonal also not join. So you join the line. d1 also join, d2 also join. Here to join one line. And C and K also join one line. This is the diagonal d1 and d2. Anyone also you take in d1 and d2 no problem. Now I am taking here d1 equal to measure the length. .4 centimeter. D1 equal to 5.4 centimeter. Now here to there measure. .5 centimeter. D2 equal to 8.5 centimeter. These two values here substitute now. 1 by 2 into D1 value equal to 5.4 centimeter. D2 equal to 8.5 centimeter square. Cut it the number. 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, 7 2s are 14. 2.7 into 8.5 centimeter square. Remove the decimal point and multiples as usual multiplication. 25 into 8, 27 into 85. Multiply the number. 5 7s are 35, remaining 3, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 8 7s are 56, remaining 5. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 5, 21. Equal to 22.95 centimeter squared. 22.95 centimeter squared. D1 value, D2 value, multiply and get the answer equal to 22.95 centimeter squared. Here not give the diagonal. You draw the diagonal and measure the length D1 and D2. These two values, substitute that formula and get it the answer. Now the third sum, LUCK, luck. LC equal to 7.8 centimeter and UK equal to 6 centimeter. Given value, right? Draw one rhombus and LCK. Now how do they draw the rough diagram? See, they are given in the diagonal. So LC first you draw and 7.8 centimeter. L next letter is what they want to come U. So U is down. LUCK, you join this line. UK value equal to 6 centimeter. How to draw the sums? See there. Now draw the line segment 7.8 centimeter. 7.8 centimeter. 7.5, 6, 7, 8. 7.8 centimeter. Draw this line. Now here writing what is the letter one, right? L and C. How much centimeter? 7.8 centimeter. Next work, very carefully listen there. More than half. That is 7th standard studying time. Bisect the angle you draw on the same only. More than half means how much? See there. This much you take and cut it L one arc, down one arc. Next, the same length should not change and C point to cut it the arc. Up one arc, down one arc. These meeting points, the two arc also meeting the point, you keep in the dot and join this line. Here you write in X, here you write in Y. This is the perpendicular, 190 degree is completed there. So put in one box. This meeting point is what there you write? O you write. Meeting point is a O. There KU length equal to what is there given? 6 centimeters. So this number must, second number only divided by 2. 6 by 2. 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. So this O point to keep this compass and measure the arc 3 centimeter and cut it the line 3 centimeter. See there. C to keep on 3 centimeter centimeter to 3 centimeter you measure now. This length O point to keep on up one arc, down one arc. That same line to up one arc, down one arc. Very carefully you draw there. Now this point is you mark there. L U C already written. This point only what is the point? K point. You join L U. U C. C K. And L K. Join this LU, UC, CK and KL. All the one joined after. Very easy there. Now this one how much centimeter now? 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Now area of the rhombus. Area of the rhombus equal to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2 square units. 1 by 2 into D1 value equal to, they are given the 2 value already, that given no, d1 equal to 7.8 centimeter, d2 equal to 6 centimeter. That divide the number here, cutting for full length is how much there now? 6 centimeter. That only divide and cut. Now d2 value equal to 6 centimeter. So 7.8 into d2 value is 6. Cut it the number. 2 3s are 6. So 7.8 into 3 equal to 3 8s are 24, remaining 2, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2 23, 23.4 centimeters squared. First work, draw the line segment. Next, perpendicular, bisect the line for more than half taken, cut it the arc L, up one arc, down one arc, C to cut it the arc. The two arc also join, X the right, Y you right. Coming center point is O. Now measure in 3 centimeter and cut it the arc. Cutting 2 points is U and K. You join this all the sides. So d1 equal to 7.8, d2 equal to 6 centimeter. These two values, substitute that formula and get it the answer 23.4 centimeter squared. Next question. Fourth question, PARK. PR equal to 9 centimeter and P equal to angle P equal to 70 degree. PR equal to 9 centimeter, angle P equal to 70 degree. So draw the line. PR is the one diagonal. There PARK right after 70 degree of how much there? 70 divided by 2 equal to 35 degree. So here too you measure in 35 degree and do the sums. First you measure in 9 centimeter. PR there you write 9 centimeter. These two line also you join there. What is the right? PA. Here you write in R. 9 centimeter. Next, product keep and draw the line is enough there. How much centimeter want to take there? 35 degree. P2 you take in 35 degree up and down. 35 degree, 35 degree. 35 plus 35 equal to 70 degree. So, here you write in 35 degree. 10, 20, 30. 30 and 40 in between line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count and there keep the point. Join this first line. Next, R2 you measure 35 degree and join the line. R2 you measure in 35 degree. 30 next, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Measure that one. Join this line. Here one arrow mark, there one arrow mark. How much degree there? 35 degree, 35 degree. Next down also want to measure. So change and keep the product and measure in 35 degree. You confuse means you change the note also and do it the work. 0, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 35 degree. Join this line. 35 degree. Put in the arrow mark. R point to keep the protector. Their measure in now 35 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 35, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Join this line. Two lines also you join there. Now here you write in 35 degree. 35 degree. Now diagonal is must need. One diagonal is 9 centimeter is over. This meeting point, this point only what the right? P, A, R the have you write in here P, R, K, park. A and K you join. Simply join enough. This is diagonal 2. D2 equal to this much there. D1 equal to 9 centimeter. D2 equal to you measure the length there. 5, 6, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4. D2 equal to 6.4 centimeter. Okay, area of the rhombus is equal to area of the rhombus equal to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2 square units. equal to 1 by 2 into already they are given in d1 value 9 centimeter, d2 value equal to 6.4 centimeter square. These two numbers equal 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 9 into 3.2 multiple and write. 9 2s are 18. Remaining 1. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 1 equal to 28 centimeters squared. First work, you draw the line 9 centimeter. Keep the protractor in P point. You measure in 35 degree. Join the line. Put in the arrow mark. Next, R to keep the protractor and measure in 35 degree and put in the arrow mark. Join the line. Turn that note or turn the protractor. How to keep the protractor in down? You see there. Here to keep the protractor and measure in 35 degree. Otherwise, you confuse me. Change the note and measure that 35 degree is correctly come the answers there. Okay, so joining point is A you write, there you write in K, AK you join, D2 equal to 6.4 centimeter. These two values substitute this formula and get it the answer 28.8 centimeter square.